Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You open the image and immediately duplicate the base layer so you can experiment without harming pixels. Once done, zoom to 100% 200% to see edge detail. This matters for clean blending. Select a soft brush at 20% 50% opacity and pick content-aware fill for complex backgrounds versus healing brush for small, textured areas. You're starting now, not later. Make a new layer mask and use a loose selection around the sticker so automated fills have context and won't sample. You apply content-aware fill in short passes, then inspect the result. If you see repeating patterns or warped edges, switch to clone stamp and sample nearby clean texture with Alt/option. Once large fills are acceptable, use the patch tool to pull natural grain and shadows into place, matching direction and lighting. Make small feathered selections of 1:3px before blending and toggle layer opacity while you work to check realism. Remember to paint on a separate layer for easy erasing and micro adjustments. You now smooth out final texture and color by using curves or hue saturation on an adjustment layer. Clip it to the repair layer so it affects only that area. Then perform 1 to 2 passes of a 1/2px healing brush for micro detail, merge visible into a new layer, apply gentle sharpening, and export as TIFF for high quality or JPEG for web. If artifacts appear, step back to your duplicated layer, undo the last pass, and retry with smaller samples or a different tool to preserve natural look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.